Baggage handling systems have three main missions. One is to move the traveler's bags from the check-in area to the departure gate. Another is to move bags from one gate to another during transfers. The final purpose of baggage handling systems is to move bags from the arrival gate to the baggage claim area. Each one of these steps now relies on the use of technology to ensure the bag ends up where it is needed. Once a bag is checked in by a traveler, it becomes the responsibility of hundreds of computers which run the system. These computers keep track of the bag's location and control all moving parts of the baggage handling system. When checking baggage, the passenger is given a 10-digit barcode which is printed onto baggage tags. This barcode houses the passenger's itinerary, which includes flight information, destination, and any stopovers. This 10-digit barcode is unique to the traveler and is what allows airport staff to keep track of a bag at all times. Once the tags are attached, the baggage is tossed onto a conveyor system, which takes it to an automated barcode scanner. This station uses an array of barcode scanners arranged below the bag and 360 degrees around it. Once scanning is complete, the bag is put en route to its destination. After check-in, all bags are placed on a large conveyor. Bags from all airlines are put onto one large track in the main terminal and are then sorted using scanners and pushers. Towards the end of the main track, bags are scanned in order to determine their final destination. The computer recognizes this information and uses a pusher to push bags to the next conveyor, which will take them towards their respective terminals.
A destination coded vehicle, or DCV, is the next important step in the baggage handling system. Bags are unloaded and off the conveyor system onto DCVs. For the larger airports, the DCV is comprised of a plastic cart, metal wheels, which are attached to the track. Each track employs the use of a series of electronic motors to propel the baggage-carrying carts up to 20 miles per hour. The key part of the DCV is its utilization of RFID, radio frequency identification. Each cart in the system has its own radio frequency transmitted device, which allows computers to keep track of where it is at all times. The main computers which run the system are connected to optical sensors at the end of the conveyor. They are also connected to the RFID attached to the DCV cart. The system ensures that the bag leaves in the conveyor precisely at the time the DCV is in position. When the DCV approaches the terminal's conveyor, the baggage is tilted out of the cart so that it can be loaded onto the plane.
Once the bag makes its way down the terminal's conveyor belt, it is dropped into a sorting station. At the sorting station, it is scanned again to check for irregularities and to ensure that the bag is at its correct terminal. Baggage handlers then take the bags and either place them one by one onto the plane or bulk load them onto containers and place them inside the cargo bay. Bags that are making a transfer after the flight are put into separate areas of the cargo bay so that they can be easily accessed to quickly make the transfer flight departure.
The goal of the baggage handling system is to allow bags to keep up with their owners. In most airports, travelers can move fairly quickly between the main and passenger terminals. Therefore, the system must be quick in getting bags to their destinations. This is especially true in the case of transfer flights. Bags must move quickly between terminals to ensure that when a passenger lands and moves to another terminal, their bags stay with them. The transfer process starts with all bags being placed on a conveyor. These bags are recognized by their barcode and are loaded onto DCVs, which will take them to their next terminal and unload them. From there, the same loading process is done to get the bags onto the plane.
Getting to the baggage claim area is a different process than transferring bags. Instead of putting the baggage to the conveyor and DCV system, the bags are loaded onto carts where they are pulled by electric cars to the main terminal. This keeps all of the bags sorted together so they can easily be taken to their respective baggage claims. All bags are scanned again before they are placed onto the baggage carousel so that the system knows that they have reached their final destination.
Heavily automated baggage handling systems are great when they're running flawlessly, but when problems occur, they can become a nightmare. Automated baggage handling systems can rely on hundreds of computers and scanners, as well as miles and miles of track. If any one of these aspects of the system goes down, and the entire system is decommissioned. For this reason, the system must be observed constantly.
Yes, America, you got it. It's George W. I got to talk to you about something important. The RFID used in the DCV portion of the baggage handling system is a relatively simple and easy approach to tracking. RFID is composed of two parts. The first part is an integrated circuit which stores, processes information, modulating, demodulating radio frequencies, and other specialized functions. The second part is an antenna for transmitting the signal. The RFID used in the baggage handling system are passive. Passive RFID have no battery and require an external source to provoke frequency transmission. Active RFID have their own power sources and can transmit by themselves. RFID costs are about 7 to 30 cents a tag. The barcode system used to tag bags is something that has been around for quite a while. Barcodes are optical machine readable representations of data. They are read by optical scanners, which are fixed lights in a single photosensor that are scrubbed across the barcode. When the optical sensor is scrubbed across the barcode, the sensor reads the data, different sizes, shapes, and the image sends to the main computer. The main computer then interprets the physical data as stored information. Barcodes cost considerably less than RFID at 0.005 cents a tag.
The main purpose of baggage handling system is to ensure that the traveler gets their bag at the right place in a timely manner. By making the entire process automated, this can be achieved as quickly as possible. The use of barcodes and radio frequency identification allow for the constant tracking of baggage throughout the process. The use of computers ensures that conveyors and destination-coded vehicles work synergistically to get the bag to its destination. Although these systems can be costly, they make up for these costs by enticing airlines to create hubs at their airports.